We are starting out nice and quiet outside across the Miami Valley, and we're going to see some of those high clouds that we saw yesterday once again today. So as you take a look outside your window here this morning, we are definitely going to see those high clouds out there. Should be a pretty sunrise once the sun does come up, as the sun wakes up at just about 7:10 this morning. As you can see here on the satellite and radar together here, that we pretty much have quiet weather conditions, but there are those high clouds. Yesterday we saw a lot of them hang around, and that kind of kept our temperatures in the 50s, and that's probably what's going to happen once again today. Those high clouds may not allow the temperature to rise quite as quickly as we would like it to see. Later this afternoon, though, temperatures rising close to 60, so a couple degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. High pressure in control across the Midwest will give us actually really nice weather, not only today, but actually for the next several days. So perfect timing here that it's Easter weekend and we're going to have dry weather and actually pretty seasonable temperatures. Right now, though, as you head out the door here, the cool spot is in Springfield at 31 degrees, 32 in Richmond, as well as in Wapakoneta, 35 for you in Troy this morning. Downtown Dayton, we're seeing those high clouds currently sitting at 36 degrees. The wind is out of the east at 8 miles an hour and the barometer is at 30.47 inches. Well, if you do have plans to take the dog for a walk today, you have some exercise to do, or maybe your kids have a soccer game, baseball game, any of those activities today, or maybe you're doing some egg dyeing today or Easter egg hunts, this afternoon will actually shape up really nicely. We'll start out in the 30s this morning, but temperatures rising through the 40s late this morning and into the low 50s by this afternoon, by the lunch hour, and then into the upper 50s later today. And of course, tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and it looks excellent. We'll start out cool once again with temperatures in the mid 30s in the morning, and then popping up into the low 60s by later on tomorrow afternoon. Future tracks showing those high clouds in the vicinity today, especially in our southeastern counties where you may be more affected by those high clouds. Otherwise, tonight mainly clear skies, and tomorrow we should expect to see wall-to-wall sunshine across the Miami Valley as we go into your Easter Sunday. So it looks nice and bright out there. Today, though, we're starting out cool, but lots of high clouds. Temperatures later on this afternoon approaching 60 degrees later today, and that's about where we should be for this time of the year. Then tonight mainly clear, seasonably cold, down to about 36, and then tomorrow looks like an excellent day for Easter Sunday. Temperatures rising to near 65 degrees, plenty of sunshine. Looks like it'll be a great day, and the sunrise for anyone who's going to morning sunrise services. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:09 in the morning, so keep that in mind if you're heading out the door very early tomorrow morning, and you'll probably need a coat too, just because it's going to be quite chilly in the morning. After Easter Sunday, Monday, we look even better yet. If this is your kids' week for spring break, this week looks absolutely picture perfect, as we'll see a nice steady climb in temperatures over the next several days. No rain in the forecast, maybe a few more clouds on Tuesday with a weak disturbance coming through, but otherwise highs mainly in the mid to upper 70s later this week. And of course, you can always stay up to date with the very latest Storm Team 2 forecast by scanning this QR code with the camera on your phone to download the free Storm Team 2 app.
With the weather as nice as it's going to be,